Hello, this is Arthur again, and today I have this 2019 BMW 540i rear-wheel drive. This car is 53,000 miles on it. I've worked on this car a few times before. Last time owner contacted me, he said that the car is making some kind of noise from drivetrain and he was gonna bring it in, and he was actually on his way over here for me to check it out, and the car stopped driving. So he had to tow it over. Once he towed it, we found out that something in the differential has broken. It's either a flange or inside the diff. I think it's inside the diff, something failed. So this car's been here for over 3 months already, and we were waiting on a part. So let me show you the part situation. Okay, here's the replacement diff that I have for this car. It is from the same year, same model, 540i, so it should work, rear-wheel drive model. I believe they are the same, rear-wheel drive and X-drive, but there's some differences between the part numbers. I'm not sure what is the details. If you have yours that has failed, try to find the same one to make sure it works properly on your car. This is the flange that a lot of people said that fails often. I had posted a short on my Instagram and it got about 2 million views or something, and a lot of people said, oh, this is what fails, get a replacement of this piece and it will solve the issue. And actually I tried to see if it's possible to get this piece, and BMW does not sell this piece separately. It comes complete with a differential, and differential from BMW is around $4,000. So, and I didn't really want to risk getting an aftermarket one or used one, I guess at this point, without removing anything. You know, I wanted to make sure I have all the parts before I start diving into it, so I don't want to take it apart twice. So this one was purchased used. This owner of this car was trying to get an LSD unit, and we waited about 3 months. He had put a deposit on it. We waited, it kept getting pushed next week. Waited 3 months and nothing arrived, no word from the seller. So he had to go pull his funds back. I'm not sure who the seller was, I don't really care. But we ended up going this route with a used diff route. So this is what is gonna go in this car. So the first thing I need to do is I need to lower this differential and remove it. I will try to take it apart a little bit to see what the problem part is in the end of the video. As of for now, I need to remove the exhaust, so they will give me some room to mess around with the diff. All right. Okay, I have the diff out. I was able to remove the differential without removing the suspension. I was able to lower it and pull the axles out. I didn't notice there's one more bolt that is holding over here. I was like, why is it not moving? And then I saw there's one more bolt over there. I took that out and then I was able to bring the diff out safely. Here's the old diff. You can actually hear inside stuff moving. There's broken gears inside. Let me see if I can get something out of there. Oh yeah, there's straight up broken gears inside. This is not a knuckle situation. This diff is toast. No saving this one. Alright, so now it's time to put the new one back into the car. Okay, so the diff is in, so you have to be pretty careful because it's kind of heavy and it's hard to move it around. When you put these in, you can rock the diff a little bit and it does pop in. This one I was having issue with popping in on this side. I did get 2 bars and I was able to gently press on this and actually went in pretty easy. It was harder to rock it than do it that way, but I would rather rock it than press on it itself, but I pressed very little and it went in, so that's not a problem. I do have the heat shields back in already. I just need to put in the exhaust. Before I do that, I need to make sure the fluid is changed inside the diff. Alright, I put the fluid in as well. So now next is going to be the exhaust. And it should be done with this job. Okay, the differential has been replaced, the new one is on, the car should be driving okay. I'm about to take it for a test drive. I'll put a little clip in the end of the video of the test drive. The old differential is obviously shot. You can see pieces inside, it doesn't need to be taken apart anymore. I thought if I don't see anything obvious I'll start taking it apart, but no, there's a bunch of broken pieces inside. So that's about it. Please comment, like and subscribe. There are more videos to come. Thank you for watching.